up, guys? My name is Eli Wolf, if you did not already know. And it is Fitzgerald's weekend. And this is recorded on Sunday, but it's going to be before everything. But I just kind of want to give you a tour, I guess, of my 0373. I had a blast at Fitzgerald's. And kind of just want to give you a rundown of my truck and the weekend. Not really the weekend, more of the truck. So, here she is. It's a 2003 73. Right now it has 24 by 14 weld Cheyennes with 3-inch spacers, as you can see. And then sometimes I run 16 by 10 weld Cheyennes. If you didn't realize, I like welds. You can really tell how wide the thing is. Kind of was trying to look for a cool spot to pull over and get videos of this thing today. This is halfway decent. It has a regular 99 to 03 grill with billet inserts that you can get from eBay and Amazon. And then the bumper is from eBay. It is also 99 to 03, but it's a platinum bumper. So a regular 73 bumper will have the black plastic all along, but when you take it off, there's holes in here for all the clips and everything. So I didn't want that one, an all chrome bumper. And then my valence is from Red Motorsports, ROID, and that one is actually for a 2005 to 07 6-liter. The bumper bolts right up, and then the inserts on the bumper do not bolt right up. I had to make those work. But then the valence for the bottom, I also had to make that work. It's kind of custom because they're made for 6 liters, and 6 liters, not really valence, but when the bumper goes, it has a part of the bumper that comes down. There's holes in the valence, and then it bolts straight to the holes off the 6.0 bumpers. But this one, I had to mount different, and I got it to work. And then you see the hood. It is 99 to 07 Cervini's Cal hood, and then I got 17 to, I guess, 23 plus now mirrors. I got them like right when I first got the truck. I think they looked the best, and also I was trying to be different back then, so it was probably not the only one, but probably one of the few that had one. Then got my wiper cowl and wiper painted by the one and only Brad Shanks. Does the best quality of work. Don't care. He takes your mirrors apart and puts them all back together. And the paint is absolutely amazing. It's all the cosmetic mods. There's really not much. We're just gonna look at this real quick. The rust is atrocious on the 7.3, but it's okay. Just give you a tour. The back seat's kind of clean. Don't mind the mess. Then the fronts, they're trash, I'm not gonna lie. And it has 309,000 miles on it. And we'll pop the hood. Here's the Cervini's logo, and if you can look, it is bone stock AF. Just has an intake piping. That is literally it. Bone stock 7.3. It does rub, so I'm gonna have to get that fixed. But if you didn't know, and a Blessed Performance air cowl. If you did not know, I wrecked the truck like 2 years ago. And my buddy decided to snap off the bolt inside of there. So we just welded it. But now, I can't really adjust the fitment of the hood. But with the truck being bone stock, I'll start her up for you and show you how stock it really is, and I guess show you it literally has zero blow-by for a 309,000 mile 7.3. As you can see in that clip, it does roll a little bit of coal. It has a tuner. Now, it's been changed so many times I don't even know which one it is. But let's look at this. Nothing. It's literally just steam coming out. Does not even move the oil cap. I walked around. We are staying in Crossville, Tennessee, and from being from Illinois, this is a lot better than a lot of flat farm ground. It's a lot more scenic. It might be more scenic, but I'm not gonna lie, I like my flat farm ground. It would be nice to live up here and see these views every single day, but it's not, I don't know. I like where I'm from, so I'm proud of it. Let's look at the rigs downtown Nashville. An LML, I believe. Pretty big lift. We got another one from Wisconsin. Truck's locked. They're being stupid. It's a 1500 that looks pretty clean. Here's the 1500 on some Archon. No KG1s, my fault. And we got a hood stack Duramax. Oh, there's another one. On my truck. And then Duramax. Maybe asking, Eli, while you're walking, I had to go get my gold pass from a guy in one of the lines. And, let's just say the line is long as hell. Hella trucks. And it just keeps going. So, I got here early, but the guy who had my gold pass came here, but then somehow he traded it with his other buddy who had his gold pass because he put a semi into the pit. Not the pit, I'm blanking. It's what happens when you walk a mile and a half. Anyways, his semi was in the boost spot, and now currently, somehow they swapped, and his buddy had it, which he was in a long ass line. So we got in his buddy's truck, went out of the fucking area for all the trucks for Fitzgerald, went back, grabbed the pass from him, tried driving around, went back next to a Walmart, which if you know where that is, that's hella long, and I didn't realize they blocked the section. Oh, and that guy cut. That guy's smart as hell. Another guy cut. Anyways, so now I'm walking in this long ass line. Not line, but I don't know. I'll put this thing on a screen in a minute of how far I walked, but it's probably a mile and a half to 2. Because I walked from the very front of Fitzgerald's to trailer parking. Now I gotta walk all the way back. But that's alright. I talked to one of the guys that was sitting in the line, and he said he was in the line for 3 hours because he left the Airbnb at 9 o'clock, sorry. And he's been sitting in the line for 3 hours since from that Walmart. So there is a shit ton of trucks. And I gotta walk all the way back up. It doesn't help I have to take a piss. So yeah, I guess tune in and watch the shit show. How long? What's up, guys? It is 6:30 in the morning. Kind of forgot. I kind of said, let's make a video really quick. So, took off the Cheyennes from yesterday and put on the big wheels. It's day 2 at Fitzgerald. It's Saturday, so we're gonna get these swept on and try and make it super quick.
Hey, yeah, let's see how you do under pressure. Oh, yeah, I've been wanting this shit forever. I've been in the field with whatever they throw at me, brush it off.
It's the end of Fitzgerald's. It's day 2. It's Saturday. And it was a good show. Some people have complaints about the parking and getting out of there, but if you buy gold, you won't have the issue. But I put on the 24s on the 7.3 and the 3-inch spacers, and it looks amazing. But you'll see that at the beginning of the video, or saw that at the beginning of the video, but we just got done actually loading the truck, and we put on stocks. Picked up a cow hood for my buddy and have all the 24s, the 16s, and the cow hood loaded up and extra secure to make sure it does not fly off doing 80 on that interstate. So now we're gonna leave Tennessee, maybe go get some food, and go back home. Had to make a stop at the Huck/Pilot, and I met up with B-Wood on the highway. As you can see, stop, get fuel. Thing is slicker than shit. Excellent metal polisher. Go follow the ad. Gonna get ready to go home now. It is absolutely clean. Oh yeah, it is.
Eat a dick, mama.